Welcome to Firethorne Apartments at 1350 Brook Street in St. Charles. We're going to do a little walkthrough of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. This is the classic unit, and this one is on the second floor. Nice balcony, room for a table and chairs. And inside here, we're looking at a nice wood-burning fireplace. Good-sized living room. We're going to come back to the door on the left in a minute. Let's head down towards the dining area and the kitchen. We have stove, fridge, dishwasher, exhaust fan over the stove, and a disposal in the sink. And the door down at the end is the pantry. Good room to store all the stuff. Take a look at it, see what you're going to pull out for dinner. And if you're like me, you might just give up and order pizza. Disposal in the sink here. And from the dining room, we have a clear view of the living room and the balcony. The fancy phone on the wall is the intercom to buzz people in. Let's go down the hall here. And the first door on the right is the bathroom. This is a full bath with tub and shower. And as we go down the hall, the next door on the left here is the linen closet. And now we're going to walk into the second bedroom, 12 by 11, a really good size. Nice size closet. It's much wider than the doors. And as we walk towards the master suite, this is the thermostat. You have your own central heat and central air. And this is the master bedroom, 14 by 12. Lots of room for a king-size bed, dressers, and the like. Straight ahead, we have the walk-in closet. And the next door is the master bathroom, shower, sink, and toilet. So that's 1370 Unit E, a second floor classic unit. We'd love to show it to you. Give us a call at 773-658-9555. And I just remembered, I didn't show you what's behind the last door. And it's probably the most important door of all. Your own side-by-side washer dryer in your own laundry room. So give us a call. We'd love to show it to you, or visit 1350brook.com for the latest details and availability.